Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ID Go on Apple TV step by step clearly. To activate ID Go on your Apple TV, start by turning on your Apple TV. Ensure that it's connected to your internet. Navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV home screen. Use the search feature to locate the ID Go app. Select the ID Go app from the search results. Once you find the app, click on the Get button to download and install it. Wait for the installation to complete. After the app is installed, open the ID Go app. You will be presented with the option to sign in. Select the Sign In option. You should see the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, take note of this activation code. On a separate device, like a smartphone or computer, open a web browser. Visit the ID Go activation page. Enter the activation code you previously noted. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process. After finishing the activation on your device, return to the ID Go app on Apple TV. You should now be signed in and ready to enjoy your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.